Hello. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update a guest check-in, which is a returning guest that's going to be staying one extra night. So I'm going to show you how to update the guest check-in and extend their stay, and then also input the payment, then at the same time check out when it's time to check out. So we'll begin now. So when you look at the middle of the screen, you will see among the current check-in, you see the 101 that we just checked in, the guest 10. So for us to extend the stay of this guest, so what we'll do is to click on this check-in button here on this or under operation, you see check-in. So you click on the check-in and then you click on the room. So this is where you must click this number area, not clicking directly on the room number or blank code or guest name. It won't respond to anything. Like I'm clicking now to just select. So what you click is the number. So I'm going to click on number 2. So here is the demo guest 10, and so now, assuming this guest is extending his stay from 17th to 18th of September. So what we'll do is just very simple. Here is the date out. So you just click on the calendar drop down list, and then you change the checkout date to 18th of September, which is Saturday, and then you see the number of days automatically changed to 2, and then all we need to do next is just to click on update, because the balance will be brought forward for the extra day. You can see it there. So now the guest will be owing 7,670 for the extra day that was extended. So now we just click on update. Successfully updated. So now we have extended the stay of this guest to 18th of September. So let's close and look at it here. So here is also updated here too. Date out 18th of September. So this is now 2 days. So this guest now will be owing, on his own record, the guest is owing 7,670. So assuming the guest has come to pay, finally it's okay, I want to pay for the room, the extra day I'm staying. So what you do, you see, click on the check-in button here, you can see it here, and then click on the room, the number beside the room number. So I'm clicking on it. So here we are. So now we have to enter this 7,670 to clear the payment, assuming the guest has come to pay finally. So the same process applies to clearing any payment in the future. Whenever a guest is owing and you want to clear the payment, you can always use the same process to clear the bills. So here we are going to be selecting cash. So the amount is 7,670. Then we'll click on add. So here we are clicking on add. So now it is added. So the guest total paid now is 15,340. So no more debt. The debt has been cleared. So all we need to do is just to click on update, and that is it. We are done. So now the guest bill has been cleared. This guest is no longer owing. So then you just close. Now the guest's debt has been cleared. So now if the guest is through with his or her stay and it's okay, I'm checking out, and the guest checked out, so what you need to do is just to still come under operation in the main screen. You'll see checkout. So this time around we are changing from check-in to checkout. So you click on the checkout button here, you can see it. this is checkout. So you click on this button here, and then you click on the room you are checking out. So I'm clicking on the room 101, which is number 2. So I'll click on it. So here it is. This is now the guest checkout form, and when you look below, this guest is not owing any money. So all we just need to do is just to click on checkout, and we are done with this guest. So this is the checkout button here. So I'm clicking on it. So it's going to take a while, some seconds to load, to save the data into the database, and then successfully checked out. So now we are done with this guest. It's checked out from the room, and that is it. So you can also print the checkout bill if you wish to. So here is the checkout receipt. It can be printed out if you wish. Here you have the print. You can see the print button here. You can always print out these pages. When you click on this print report, to send it to your printer automatically. So that is all for checking out a guest. So what we just did is extend the guest stay, clear the guest's debt for the room, and then check out the guests, and that is all. So when you look here, the room is no longer under currently checking. So when you look below by the left, you'll see the room 101. So the current status is vacant dirty. You can see it here. Here, vacant dirty. So if this room remain in vacant dirty, it will never allow you to check in any guests. So what you do, you click on it, and then you change the status from vacant dirty to vacant clean. So here is the green button. You can see it here. So you click on it, and it will ask you, do you really want to change the room status to vacant clean? You click yes, and you are done. So now the room is back to normal. You can now recheck in a new guest into that room. Thank you.